Buenos noches, mi amigos. This is still my friends. Way to TV. Sigo siendo tu hombre. Comes at the spot. And yes, we are back with yet another in studio discussion. And at this point in time, we want to put worries aside. What could have, should have, putting everything behind us because, as the Giants have already said, 3 points in Hambile, there's no crying over spilt milk. Now we need to look forward of what lies ahead on Thursday. That is the big match again. An opportunity for South Africa, to redeem themselves and that they will be up against Czechia in that big one. As you do know that the kickoff at South African time will be 6 p.m. for that particular encounter. Do know that everybody around the country, different fan parks, screening, watch parties, you will be there feeling those places in numbers and making sure that we support our national team nonetheless. Well, today does not get better than this. I mean, I still have the three gentlemen joining me. I do have the teacher of the game, that is Umini Rwetiski. I do have a messenger together with Bomudao. Sanbonan Merchants.
Bafuza?
Uhamba kanja.
Sikweni wethu right.
Hayi siyancenga. Messenger.
Hayi kumnati.
Unzoyikela ngona.
Awunomthu omnati.
Bomudao. Kakamera. Awunamrando. Now, I'm going to start with the teacher. I mean, Minier, akusasiza ukuthi siloke sibuyele emuva siloke esikhala ukuthi hey, what could have, should have. Now, we need to look ahead. I mean, it's still yet another an opportunity ukuthi South Africa to redeem themselves when they play Czechia coming this Thursday. I mean, you as the teacher of the game, as Umini Rwetiski, I mean, educate us ukuthi yini kumele siyibuke pertaining to Czechia when we face them on Thursday.
Alright Bafuza, ngiyabonga nje for ithuba. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiye ngasho nokusho nje isikhathi esiningi when it comes to ama-analysis. Ama-analysis esinawo ahlukene kayi-3. More especially if ubheke i-game okanye if uya egamini, you have i-pre-match analysis whereby la thosi mhlambe prior to i-game nihlele emahhotela nibheka i-game or analyze nama-opponents, and then you have actual match analysis or during match analysis. Like ngalesikhathi i-game idlala kunabantu abakuma-stands ama-analyst, lezo zinto lezo nikhulume ngazo nange-half time, and then you will have i-post-match analysis. So going to i-game ye-Czech Republic, kunezinto kumele sizilungise ezizenzile ekhemini lebesidlala yelokhuzana ye-Mexico, because I can tell you right now there is something eyenziwa i-Czech Republic. Uyabona ukuthi ngila, but I know there is something abayenzayo ngathi. Well, number one, if it's check up based on ama-tactics, they are divided into 3 segments. If it's ama-tactics, you have a-team tactic, you have a-unit tactic, you have individual tactic. Maybe omunye umuntu angeke understand ukuthi if ngiwa divide into 3 sibheka ini. Well, number one, if it's bheka i-team tactic, this is whereby si-check ukuthi, let's say for instance sithole goal kick, we should have ama-tactics ukuthi le goal kick sizoyidlala kanjani, right? So ama-team tactics ahlukene kayi-3 against if sidlala against i-press from i-goal kick. Number one, you can play around i-press okanye you can play around i-press yani opponent. If you can play around, which means ama-full back akho azokwenza njani, azovula i-ground, yenze lento esibiza ngokuthi it's pitch maximizing. Like for instance, you have umdiba push ngase-center, i-ground alivuli, you have umdawu kanjalo, right? And then you will also have you can play through i-press. If you can play through i-press, la udlala khona kanjani, yes, you will have your full back evulile i-ground bese kuba khona someone ozo-receiver. This is whereby sifuna ukubreaka i-press apart, because you are playing through in press idlala la central around the D-line. And then now you that tactic under a team, you can play over. Since you can play over, this is whereby maybe goalkeeper uyadlala straight to uyalikhahlela because siyasaba now ukuthi labantu bazospress, right? Or we can do something esibiza ngokuthi goal kick counter. Le goal kick counter la i-center back idlale no goalkeeper ngalesikhathi beyaspesa bese idlala over. And then lonto leyo uyenza kakhulu mostly if unabantu abama-winger owazi ukuthi abantu bashaya imoto okanye banani bashaya ispeed, like abo Tshepang Moremi, abo Thapelo Maseko, right? Because la you need to turn no 8 wakho ukuthi bedrop deep. Ngalesikhathi bedropa deep, ama-center back ayabalandela okanye ama-CDM ayabalandela. Lento inikeza i-option labantu abawo ama-winger abashaya imoto, right? La besabheke i-team team tactic.
Team
Remember, I
tactic,
said
yeah.
you have team tactic, you have a unit tactic, you also have individual tactic,
yes.
right? And then you'll have unit tactic now. If it's called my unit tactic, this is whereby you check backline okanye defense yakho ukuthi siyishape kanjani in a unit as backline, right? And then you also look at double pivot yakho ukuthi in a unit, because if beyi-two so they work in a pair okanye kuba units. You will also look at your offensive line in a unit ukuthi mapha ama movements abawashayayo,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
And then bese uzoba ne-individual tactic ukuthi okay, in such instances, let us say maybe for instance ufuna create ama 1v1 kwi-1v1 as a defender wenza ini, kwi-1v1 as an offensive player wenza ini.
Yeah.
Remember ngithena there is something i-Czech Republic eyenzayo right now. Angikho kwi-Czech Republic, but I know ukuthi bayayenza lento. Bazobuyela back to these three segments of tactics. Asibuyele kwi-team tactic. Remember ngikutshelile ukuthi if udlala i-goal kick, i-goal kick yakho, it's either you play around, you play through, or you play over. Did you play around? Yes, we try to play around ukudlala ngama full back, right? Did we play through? Yes, we did play through. Remember goal yokuqala le-Mexico?
That's how they got it through.
Remember ngithena kuwena i-Czech iyas-analyze right now.
Yes.
Bayas-analyze ukuthi we have a challenge yokudlala through. Because igoli yokuqala lingene kanjani bese sidlala through.
Which eventually the same player got a red card.
Second half, same thing, Williams, he tried. But press ibhola balithatha, fortunately sanga concede around 47 minutes.
Yes.
Right? And then we'll have now unit tactic. They are looking at unit tactic. If uzobuyela uyobheka igoli lesi-2, umdawu ube late. Lo muntu lo behedile because uSibisi uhambile wawuvala elinye side neplayer livalayo, umdawu wabanjani waba late. So uyabona already ne-unit tactic yethu benjani bengekho great,
very poor, yeah.
Bazobuyela back to individual tactic. Individual tactic ubani usithole ukuthi individually sine pressure kuphi lapha central, right? So I think mina for i-game le ye-Czech Republic, i-technical team, they have to fix those issues. Because right now, i-Czech Republic yes profile kulama tactics lawa three. These three segments of ama tactics, because wonke siwafailile. And asigcinanga ngokufeyila wona. We also failed something esibiza ngokuthi 4 main principles of the game in zones. If ngikhuluma ngalonto leyo ngikhuluma ngani, sikhuluma ngokuthi this is whereby siya build again. And then you will have zone 1 up to zone 6. This is whereby wenza any build up play yakho. And then you will have zone 7 up to zone 12. This is whereby you will have a balance and a rotation la central. And then you will have zone 13 to zone 15. This is whereby you penetrate. You will have zone 16 to zone 18. This is whereby wenza njani usuwenza i-finishing yakho. Asibuyele la. I-build up yethu sibe successful ngayo? No, iyona esikhostile because sikhonsithi igoli enjani lokuqala. Ibikhona i-balance and rotation eswini ibingekho. Ibikhona i-penetration?
No.
Ibingekho. Sibe nayo i-finishing up?
No.
Asibanga
Because we failed to even score.
Because
or even create a goal on target.
Yes. So again, which means a technical team, they should go back and work on ama 4 main principles of the game in zones. Abagcinanga lapho. There's something esiphinde senze njani sayifeyila. Remember ngikutshelile ngathi Czech Republic ihleli right now. Angikho nabo, but I know ukuthi lento benze njani.
They're going through it.
Yes. We also failed ama principles of defending in zones, whereby in zone 1 and 3, 4 and 6, you should deny any ama crosses from any your opponent. We also failed on zone 2, whereby we need to block in ama shots. We also failed in zone 5, whereby we need to take pressure away like centrally to wide. So if singalungisa ama 3 segments of ama tactics and also fix ama 4 main principles of the game in zones and also fix ama defensive principles, silver great the game in the Czech Republic.
You have heard the teacher of the game, that is Minier. I mean, they don't call him Minier for nothing. I mean, he just gave us, different techniques, the principles that we need to apply, of which now, or rather fix, because at this point in time, it's safe to say that Czechia, they are doing that. I mean, they themselves are in need of a victory in this game. But messenger ke tlo ya go wena ke tseba Minier e urkenze skolo a dawa mo tsantsa ga daweteng, but nonetheless wena re batho approach ka mara re batho approach ka skasi, because rona ba wena phela wena le bomdawo le sheba game ka skasi the way le bonang ka teng, you wouldn't necessarily le bone the way Minier a bonang ka teng. But wena ha re ya go that game ya Czechia, wena ba tlo bona go etsahalang in that game.
All right. Thank you for having me once again. and greetings, viewers. My brother, I think number one, we have to change our lineup. Our starting lineup has to be changed. We need to take people ba tsebang ho attack. We need speed people, players. I'm talking about those players ba ne ba le benching, the likes of Maseko, Moremi, Apolis, Mofokeng. I'm not saying they are all coming in, but ho be le balance. Ho be le balance. And ntho ke bonang gore, like my brother said, Zetche e re shebile hore na ho etsahetseng mo previous games tsa rona. First of all, ba tlo check on how did we qualify for the World Cup? Which players are still there? And ba dlala jwang? Secondly, ba tlo check hore na opening game ya rona e bile jwang? Ba tlo check hore okay, this guy Sithole is out now. If Sithole o qadile le game, in their minds ba tlo nahana hore Sithole is one of the best. So ha Sithole a sa le siko, they are going to press more middle fielding, knowing exactly hore if batho ba mo ba kgethwe as a second choice, which means they are not that good. So re tlo pressa more middle fielding. I think Hugo Broos must be very careful ha e tla mpeng ya lebala. I may be very, very careful hore na o tlo bapala jwang. Gaming yena, I think o tlameha be smart. Re be le people who can attack and defend at the same time. You see, with the likes of Sebelebele, I think gaming yena wa hlokahala because the guy o kgona ho balance. Ha ile pele ha itebagale, he can come back a tlo marka again. And ha kgathale ke motjhini ntwana o dula ntse ya khutla. Re hloka the likes of Relebohile Mofokeng, smart player, a tsebang when to pass, when not to pass. Because a re hloke motho a tlo bapala fela nje a nana phase di bolo. Mofokeng wa tseba a tshwara bolo o bala le pele, ene combination is very important, very, very important. If o bapala le motho a o sa mo tlwaelang, that's why o bona re game ya rona e re considering the last game, it is because Ronald Williams ha so dlalele Sithole that much. Positioning eo ye Sithole na le ho yona, Sithole hangata ke motho a ratang e karo neng o ya bo 18 kapa bo 10 but ntse le 6 man. So now if asa tlo ba careful Hugo Broos ka ntho ke qetang bua ka yona, we are going to have a problem. But I have so much hope the way ke ne ke bona Zetche bapala ka teng. Ke na le hope ya hore if Hugo Broos ka kenya attacking players, we are going to win this game. I have so much hope. And ha re ka wina this game, it will refer confidence to the next game. So now if we draw this game kapa lose this game, it will ba mathata bra waka. So nna ke ikopela fela Hugo Broos a etse lineup it differently. A tsebe batho ba ka defendang ka bona ka tsela e hantle. Batho be kang bo Mbogas ntse ke bona ba ntse ba tlo galla ho ya pele because we know hore ga mo tshepa ka long shot shooting. Ha ya pele male ho tlo salama. If o no bona goal ya bobedi re considering, it is because Mbogas o la ya hanyane. O la ya hanyane and then Sithole ba sala le one. That's where bona Sithole a setse di mane morao a ba etsa phoso. A pace ha iyo. So it's gonna be difficult. This game is going to be difficult. But fela smart sa Hugo Broos hore na ke tlo break these people jwang. But we are asking for Mofokeng, Moremi and Apolis. They must start the game. Definitely, I'm sure 100%. If those guys bakala game, we are going to win. And after halftime, we the likes of Maseko. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
There is something a show messenger na uthi we are asking or requesting for Mofokeng. Remember, as I always say, football is a game of patterns. Remember 2019, I think it's 2019, where Bayulo Chakora versus Egypt.
2019.
You still
Quarterfinals.
remember we used to beg, I think it was Stuart Baxter,
About
to play it in Mkosi Lodge. The game launch was played. He scored a winner versus Egypt. And even now, we are still begging. So if you ask me, is it a positive or a negative pattern? It's a negative pattern because, which means as fans, we can see, we need such players. Yes, fans may not have your UEFA licenses, but ibhola bayalazi. If it's back to 2019, ama-fans ayikhalela ulotshi. Nangempela ulotshi wangena isipano wasishaya kule AFCON esasidla. Namanje abantu njengoba bekhalela bomfukeng, bekhalela bobani. It's because siyawabona amagephu. Siyakwazi ukuthi abantu abayi-10 abase-roomini eyi-1 for instance bezokufuna iplayer eli-1. Bezokufuna uThapelo Maseko, bezokufuna uMoremi. You understand? So hijack.
as long on back up.
Bomdao, I mean, you've been saying that, you know what, come hell or high waters, we still need to support the national team. I mean, going into that game, I do know that we will be railing in different watch parties, fan parks, and still supporting Bafana Bafana. I mean, in the same light of you still encouraging the supporters, I mean, what's your word as well as we head into that game against Czechia on Thursday?
Yeah, thank you. As a coach, one more what disc you play as a when he started,
Yeah.
he spoke about a lot of patterns. There's a segment of the game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the zone, everything. Yeah, so we're at school. So for me, comes a lot on this game versus Czech. There's a lot of at stake because on this game, both teams, Bafana Bafana versus Czech Republic, they come to this game, Atlanta. Both of them come from defeat. So there's a lot of at stake. So and then the draw or the lose for both teams is going to jeopardize them to go to the next level of less 32. So here we have to go and play and win this game so that we can bounce back of fun and then we can redeem ourselves and we can show the world that we're not there just to add numbers. We are there to participate. And also that key win is going to give us motivation that we are going to the group stages. Because Czech is going to also to play with the last game with Mexico and us are going to play with Korea. So any result from that game is going to tell us that whether we are going to the last 32 or we are going on the last 32 on best number 3. So Bafana on this game we have to also to guard ourselves because this Czech, I saw the Czech when they beat when South Korea beat Czech 2-1. They even equalized, but the goal was disallowed. They're very, very good on set pieces as well. So Bafana we have to avoid those set pieces, corner kicks, and then also the crosses.
Throw-ins.
And throw-ins as well, because they are good. So we have to guard ourselves. Those on that day, our defense, they have to be total discipline at the back. And also, I just want to beg our goalkeeper Ronza as a captain. He has to now to come to the party. He has to speak with Mombokazi, Womdao, Womdiva, and whoever, maybe Okono or Makanyo, whoever is going to partner Mbokazi or Wosvis. He has to shout, he has to talk, so that they must be aware that this team, if you give them set pieces, will be punished. But check that goal that Mexico scored, goal number 2. Someone, that goal scorer, he called the ball, please, and then the square, and then the cross, and then header, free goal. So we have to be total disciplined, so that we must stay on this competition. We want to go group stages to last 32 balls. Anything can happen. So, but our mandate, we have to win this game, and then let's take one game at a time. So, as a messenger, no coach said, people they were talking, they play that they want. We win most of the games here because we are playing South African football, attacking football. So we know those people who are players that can win us game. We know them. So the coach, they must go back to the drawing board, as coach mentioned, that each and every team, I'm an analyst, they're going back. I'm sure that what we are speaking here, also them they are seeing. So let's say this Thursday game, how the first lineup will bring to us. So our job is to rally behind the team. So also the technical team, please make us proud.
Now, as we wrap it up, I mean, we don't want. I mean, we've already stressed the importance of this game because of we don't want to find ourselves in a predicament, in a situation whereby now permutations are yes. I mean,
Yeah.
you look at an instance where Bafana throws against Czech. Now it goes down to the last game whereby Bafana has to win, but also have Mang to do the favors. I mean, unpack those permutations for us, whereby we don't actually want to see ourselves there. It's in there for the taking in this game against Czech.
Okay, maybe before nje ngifike lapho, there's something uBrother Mdawu ayishilo ukuthi i-Czech iluzile versus i-South Korea. Nathi saluza versus i-Mexico. Based on ama-rankings, we are still ama-underdogs e-group, right? So i-Czech Republic, for the fact ukuthi iluzile kwi-South Korea, ibheke thina ukuthi izo-bouncer back ngabo bani? Ngathi. This is whereby you need, if befuna ukubouncer back ngathi bazobe besipress. This is whereby you need abo Moremi, you need abo Thapelo Maseko, you need abo Sibelebele, you need abo Apolisi, because ngalesikhathi besipressa deep, angithi bazobe desperate bedlala nane highline. Angithi babheke igame yethu yokuqala babuka lethi mayinaso speed, kanti speed sethu sonke besihleli ebenchini. So this is whereby we need speed, right? And then going to lento ukuthi izinto kumele sizi avoid, already going to igame ye-Czech, we are sitting at -2 goals conceded. So mostly, if you qualify as number 2, qualify as it at best. Mostly it's ama-team asuke no 3 points, but i-goal difference yabo isuke i-grand. Mhlawumbe kusuke ku+1 i-goal difference or kusuke ku+0. So already thina now si behind ngamagoli amangaki ayi-2, which means if le game singayiwina with a margin of okanye difference ya 2 goals, lonto izobe isize kakhulu because sizothola u3 goals plus sizobuyela back to ubani u+0 going to igame eSouth Korea. A point lingaba enough ukuthi njani ukuthi siqualify, which means thina into yokuqala kumele siyilwele ukuthi sithole u3 points.
Victory, yes.
Yes, but ekufikiseni kwethu 3 points emqondweni kumele sikhumbule naleya goal difference, because as it at best, now let's just say we are looking at it at best because silose the game yokuqala, we still have to fix the ndaba yama-goal difference.
You have heard from the gentleman, more particularly from Uminier, I mean, having to school us with all the different tactics and principles that needs to be implemented into the game so that we can get that much needed, or rather the desired victory. Not only just a victory, but a convincing victory because of you putting also a foot of what lies ahead in the final group game, because you do want to make it a point that you leave an impression going into the last 32. Well, let's continue the conversation on our comment section. What say you pertaining to Bafana against Czechia on a Thursday? But from myself, comes the sport together with the gentleman right here in studio. Adios, amigos.